Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use leverage in Webull. Leverage allows you to trade with more money than you actually have in your account, amplifying both potential gains and losses. Webull offers margin accounts, which are necessary to access this increased buying power. Understanding how it works is crucial for effective trading and managing your positions wisely. To utilize leverage on Webull, you first need to qualify for and open a margin account. This typically requires maintaining a minimum account balance of $2,000. You can apply for margin trading directly through the Webull platform, and once approved, you'll gain access to increased buying power for your trades. Margin refers to the money you borrow from Webull to increase your trading capital. Your buying power, then, is the total amount of funds you have available to trade, including both your cash and your available margin. Webull clearly displays these figures within your account, helping you keep track of your leverage and trading capacity. While leverage can boost your potential returns, it also significantly magnifies your losses. Always monitor your margin maintenance requirements to avoid margin calls. Consider using risk management tools like stop-loss orders to limit potential downside. Trade responsibly and understand the increased risk associated with using leverage in your Webull account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.